Hi. So I chose to watch videos that focused on teaching the concept of using base 10 blocks to model place value. The videos I chose there's one that's called Place Value Concepts, representing 1, 2, 4 with base 10 blocks. The next one is Model and Write Numbers using base 10 blocks. And then I have used place value blocks to show numbers within 1,000. So those are the three videos I chose, and then I will review them. So let's start with this first one. I believe this one was produced by the United States Department of Education. I'm just going to start. There we go. So this is an overhead shot of a woman kind of physically using the base 10 blocks to show place value, and she's going to show the number 124. I like this video for a few reasons. I like that it gets right to the point and that it's brief. I think that the presenter does a good job of explaining things. And I think it might have been a better video if she had put like let me just back up a little bit. Like if she had had the numbers like 124 up here, just to add a visual element for the kids to make an even further connection to what she was doing. Yeah, if it had the numbers, I think it would have been a lot better. And then she could point to each number, like, you know, here's the 1 over here in this place, and the 2 and the 4. The students could see a correlation between just these white spaces on the paper and the position of each digit in the number. Again, I feel like they would have made a stronger connection. I might use this technique in the future, but probably just her way of explaining it. I definitely would add more visual elements though. So I'm going to close this one. Actually, I'll just bring this one in front of it. Make it a little bigger. Alright, so this one is called Model and Write Numbers Using Base 10 Blocks, and this is a longer video. We certainly don't have to watch the whole thing here. There are parts of the video that I enjoyed more. Here in a little bit, she'll begin to review the concepts of base 10 blocks, and then I like that she uses written numbers and words. I like that it has animation. I like that the graphics were visually stimulated and well organized. The fact that there were spaces for place value in this video, I'm just going to move ahead a little bit. So this is an important piece. This is where I think it was really well organized, and I think this element here at the bottom where she has hundreds, tens, ones, it adds to more of the visual elements, and I feel like the kids can make a better connection when they can see it. I'm just skipping ahead pretty fast here. I mean, she even does pretty large ones, so that's good. I would definitely use the animation in the future, but I also like the idea of students being able to see me in the video, kind of like what I'm doing here, this picture-in-picture method. I probably would add that component. Overall, this is a really good video. Again, she's really well organized, and I think it'd be easy for kids to make a connection to that concept. So for the third video, pull it up here. So this video, let me see if I can make it any bigger. Get rid of this one. All right, this video is going to be familiar to a lot of people just because it's a Sol Khan video. And
so let me start with an interesting question. Pause this video and try to
he uses a whiteboard screencast method, and then he's talking about what he's doing while he's doing it kind of in real time, and that I think is really good. This video is by far my favorite of all of the videos that I watched today. There's a presenter. We only hear his voice. However, there's something about his style of explaining that makes it very easy to understand. I think that students will be able to connect really well to this. I would definitely use this method again. I love the whiteboard screencast method. It's what Rebecca uses a lot, so she's onto something there. And yeah, I would definitely use this method of screencast and explanation. And again, I would probably choose to add a picture-in-picture video of myself in the corner while I'm doing it. I think that when kids can see you and you can make eye contact with them, even if it's recorded, I think it helps a lot when they can put a voice to a face. And that's it. You can find the sources of these videos in my bibliography in the attached written review. Thanks so much.